Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Amy Jo, and today I'm going to be opening the Sweet Spoonfuls Baby by Baby Alive. All right, so let's open her up. This is never easy. Almost. Yay! Just need to get the food out now. Look at all of this tape just holding in these tiny little packs of pretend food. So close. All right. Now, let's see what we have. All right, so we have our doll and we have a comb so we can comb her hair. I think she's so cute with her dark hair and her two little ponytails. Pretty sweet, huh? And then we have a bottle and we have a little bowl where we can mix up her food. We have some diapers because she pees and poops, just a pretend food. We have a spoon to feed her, and then we have food. We have broccoli and pear. Okay, so I just read through the directions and they are pretty straightforward. I think the most important thing that I read is make sure that you put a diaper securely on your doll before giving bottle. So she does not have a diaper on, so we will go ahead and do that now. And then we'll feed our little baby. All right, one tiny little diaper for one tiny little baby. Okay, so now that she has her diaper on, we can fill up her bottle and mix up her food and we can feed her. But I'm gonna move to my other table so that we can do that up close so that you can see it better. Okay, she's ready to eat and drink now. Diaper is on. This is the fill line right here on the little blender bowl, so we're going to remove the lid and add water to the fill line. Whoa, that's too much. Let me pour some out. Next, we're going to add 1 packet of the baby food to our little blender bowl. And I chose pear. Now this is not for humans to eat. Not that you would, but Just letting you know, don't eat this. And now we're gonna mix it together. Oh, cute. And it's still watery, but once it's all mixed in, it will thicken up. I'm just going to use the spoon to make sure it's mixed up really well. Oh, it is getting thick. I think it's ready. I have added some water to our bottle, and I just used the middle fill line. And now I think we can feed the baby, and then we'll give her some water. The directions say that we should only feed the baby in a tilted position as opposed to being just down flat on her back like this. So we want to tilt her head up a little bit, and we'll get ready to feed her. Maybe now a little drink. I just heard something. I'm scared to look. Oh no. I think her diaper's leaking. That means it's time for a diaper change. Oh, yuck. Okay, her pairs went right through her. So we're gonna roll this diaper up, clean her up, and put on a fresh diaper. I have a paper towel under her, and I'm just going to give her a little more water. Make sure that there's no food left in her. I only have 2 diapers. This playset came with 2 packages of food and 2 diapers, so I want to have 1 diaper left over, so I'm just going to make sure there's no food left in her. Perfect. Now she's all clean and ready to eat and drink again. And here is a closer look at her. You guys really didn't get to see her up close yet. She has a really cute dress. It has pears and that's probably a lemon maybe, and some peas and leaves. Her dress is super cute. I love her little ponytails. And so now you know how she works. And I'm thinking, I bet, you could take this doll in the bathtub with you. It would mess her hair up, but I don't think it would hurt her otherwise. And here she is. We have the doll, her little blender bowl, her bottle, and don't forget, she also comes with this little comb. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Okay, cut all that. Cut all that. Cut all that. Cut it. Cut, cut, cut. Start all over again. All right.